My right is Wagyu. On my other right is Trevor. And on my left is just a regular round chuck that you would find at a local grocery store.
This is Battle for Beef! Wagyu versus Angus Burger. One package of Wagyu ground beef. Thank you, Mayhan Wagyu Ranch. And here we have your local store-bought 80% lean, 20% fat ground beef. Made in America. Faux show. Now this is going to be a fair battle, but I refuse to leave out the cheese. No frills hamburger buns. Salt. Pepper. To get the true feel and taste of the meat, we're going to go for half-pound patties. Man, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Here we go. Half-pound patties. I've never done it this big before, but where there's a will, there's a way. Let's grab this Wagyu and start forming them into shape as best as we can. Mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup. Shh, it's a secret. Go on, get yourself a greasy old grill. Lay some cast iron down, make sure it's well seasoned. Now we got ourselves the right surface to cook our burgers. Once we get it as hot as we can, we're gonna start adding our burgers. A good visual cue of when to flip is when you start seeing juice pooling up on top. I know it's ground, but I like a medium rare, so I always use a thermometer. And finally, I add the cheese. Close the lid and let it melt.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to These Eats. Welcome back to Battle of the Beef. Today, it's the Battle of the Burgers. Wagyu versus just generic store-bought beef. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
I'm so glad you had me for this. The burgers is my kind of jam.
That's right. That's right.
Steaks are good, but when you want a good, wholesome burger.
I thought Wagyu ground beef, that would make a great episode. So I got it, and I was looking at the package. I was thinking, how do I know what's in this? And what kind of Wagyu is it, right? Is it like Kobe? I doubt that. You know, that's way expensive. But maybe some cuts aren't. So questionable versus something we kind of know already, which is, you know, your basic Angus beef.
Now, is the fat content in the Wagyu the same as?
I don't know. They don't list the fat content. If anybody can help me out, please do. They didn't say.
Do we need to send it back?
Oh man, if there's croutons on the salad,
We'll send it back.
All right, here we go. The regular. Should we just start with the regular and then get into the Wagyu?
What are you in the mood for? I mean, we know what the regular is.
Right. So should we?
The fresh palate Wagyu?
Yeah, fresh palate Wagyu. I like that. All right.
It's Friday.
You grab one half, I grab the other half. It's Friday, yeah.
Church it up a little bit.
Church it up. What we've done before we take a bite is we've tried to make this as fair of a challenge as possible. So we have your most generic hamburger buns there are. Nothing fancy, no artesian loaves, no ciabattas or brioches, or you have it. Pretzel buns. All right, I'm done. Before you eat, you need some of this.
Special sauce. It's gotta be messy. It's not a burger if it's not.
Here we go. So, and the only thing besides the questionable sauce I just added, is that I had to add a piece of cheddar cheese. Just simple, generic cheddar cheese again. Now,
You don't want it? Send it back.
send it back, exactly. So we know that everything is fair. On top of that, the patties are each a half pound. That way we can get the full flavor sensation in every bite. I know smash burgers are awesome. I love the smash burger. But this is a challenge, and we need to know. We need to know.
Which is better?
Which is better? All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's start with the Wagyu. I'm expecting big things here. What do you think, Trevor?
Definitely tastes like a burger.
Tastes like a burger. Tastes like a rare burger.
Rare, yeah. Very rare. But not disgustingly rare.
But what about the flavor? I'm not really picking up on much. I don't know about the flavor. I'm not like crazy about it right now.
I thought I expected more
Yeah.
than I was getting.
Can you
Maybe the name like Wagyu built it up.
Yeah, we're expecting like big things. So, all right, I'm kind of like, I really want to dive into this one now. They got me a little concerned. Let's go ahead and lift the buns. Make it special.
Always lift the buns.
A regular 80-20 ground chuck, Angus you have, whatever have you, American ground beef. Ready?
Let's do it.
All right. I mean, for me, the regular ground beef has more flavor.
Surprisingly.
It does.
Yeah.
Wow. That's all I have to say. I was so expecting the Wagyu to blow it out of the water.
Flavor, yeah, the flavor profile is way more in depth.
On the regular,
The regular
generic, store-bought 80-20 ground beef.
The ironic thing is, it looks more cooked than the Wagyu does.
Yeah. And you know what? I kept them on the grill at the same time. It's pretty interesting.
Very interesting.
And it gave me all the signs that it was done. For example, when the patty was like, you can kind of tell to flip it over because there's juice and like blood forming on top like a puddle. Mm-hmm. That's kind of your cue to flip it. The Wagyu produced a lot, but now that I look at it and I'm seeing that it's kind of rare, I'm thinking maybe it's like all the fat coming up to the surface that ends up being a lot more.
Sure.
Maybe I flipped it too soon. I don't know.
But we've got a good sear on both sides though, so
Yeah.
I don't think that's the case. And you don't want to overcook it either.
Guys, I think we have a winner, and it's a very unexpected winner. Trevor, cue the drum roll. And
Go for the steady Eddie.
That's
So
right.
reliable.
Woo!
Right. Always fills you up, never lets you down.
America. America wins, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us for our second installment of Battle of the Beef. We hope you like what you saw. Please, if you like our channel, please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. And we'll see you next time. Bye.